Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Question number 19 from Jamaican fragment lesson. Why did the narrator's spirit laugh at him? Spirit means his consciousness. Okay. Why did the narrator's spirit laugh at him at the end? Answer is he realized that he had judged the boys' roles based on the race. Okay. In the beginning, when the narrator saw the two boys playing, then he had some thought in his mind. Okay. So he was thinking, he was confused as why the boys were playing like that, why the white boy is dominating the black boy when he saw the first day, isn't it? So he was thinking about the racism based on the boys' roles. But then he was proven wrong because he realized that the boys were not thinking like that. It was just a game, isn't it? So you have already studied the lesson there. The boys' role got exchanged. Okay. So because of the narrator, because of this only, narrator's spirit laughed at the end when he realized that he was wrong on the judgment about the boys' roles. Then he laughed at the his spirit laughed at the end. Okay. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಟ ಆಡುವುದನ್ನ ನರೇಟರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಣಭೇದ ನೀತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಭೇದ ಭಾವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೋ ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಭಾವನೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಗು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.